Hello. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the steps to update or remove your recovery phone number from your Gmail or Google account. Step 1, open Gmail settings. Log into your Gmail account. Click the gear icon at the top right corner. Select See All Settings. Go to the Accounts and Import tab. Find the section Change Account Settings and click Change Password Recovery Options. Step 2, edit or delete recovery phone. You will be redirected to your Google account settings. Click on Recovery Phone. Enter your password to confirm your identity. Under Recovery Phone, click the Edit icon pencil to change the number or click the trash icon to delete it. Follow the on-screen instructions to save changes. That's it. Now you can manage your recovery phone number anytime to improve your account security. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.